Let's look at the translation for part 2 of chapter 4. La souris a parlé au chat. We have the mouse, and here we have parler, and we've got the past participle and the helping verb avoir in the third person singular. So it's literally the mouse has spoken to the cat, but in most contexts we would translate that as the mouse spoke to the cat. Les chats ont mangé les souris. So here we have the cats plural, and then the mice plural, and the avoir is in the third person plural. Ils ont. The cats have eaten the mice. Il a été à Paris. So here we've got été, that's the irregular past participle of être. And so we could translate il a été, he has been to Paris, or he was at Paris or in Paris. It can be a, a number of things. He has been to Paris sounds pretty good, so we can translate it that way. J'ai eu tort. Here we've got eu, which you need to remember is a past participle of avoir, or you might not ever find it in the dictionary. So literally is I have had tort, wrong. But remember, avoir tort is an expression that means to be wrong. So we want to translate it like to be. So I was wrong is a good way of translating j'ai eu tort. Il a fini le livre. He has finished the book. You could translate it as he has finished the book, or he finished the book. Il a écrit à la souris à Paris. So here we've got the verb is écrire. This is a past the participle, and we've got avoir as a helping verb. So this is the passé composé. Il a écrit, he has written or he wrote to the mouse in Paris. So he wrote to the mouse in Paris. Probably sent him a postcard or something like that to be nice. Il a écrit à Paris. So here we have il, the conjugated verb is avoir, the past participle écrire, and then we've got this L apostrophe, and that's a direct object pronoun. So he wrote it in Paris. Now, if Paris was a person, it would be translated, he wrote it to Paris. But probably this is describing where he wrote it.